Hello everyone, this is Imran Pardesi sir and today I will be continuing standard 9th chapter number 4, that is ratio and proportion. In ratio and proportion today we will see what is continued proportion. So whenever you will hear the word continued proportion, it means you should understand very quickly that A upon B is equals to B upon C, that is B square is equals to AC. Look at the board here. See, continued proportion means if A, B, C are in continued proportion, then A upon B is equals to B upon C. That is, can you see B comes twice? So that is B will multiply to this B, it will be B square. And A will multiply to C, it will be AC. It means A multiply by C. So whenever you will listen or whenever you will read the word continued proportion, so you should understand very quickly here A upon B is equals to B upon C is equals to B square is equals to AC. See here, B square is equals to AC. So now here B is called the geometric mean. B is called geometric mean or mean proportional between A and C. Okay. So sometimes in question word will come geometric mean. Geometric mean also you will understand it is nothing but it is continued proportion only. Geometric mean, it means continued proportion only. Is it clear? So what is continued proportion? A upon B is equals to B upon C. So B will multiply to this B, it will be B square is equals to A will multiply to C, AC. B square is equals to AC. This you have to remember what is continued proportion. Now see some extra questions I have given over here below regarding continued proportion. So please look at the board. Check whether the following numbers are in continued proportion. Okay, we have to check the given numbers are in continued proportion, yes or no. So now we will see the question number 1, that is 2, 4, 8. So here we will consider this is A, this is B and this is C. Question is check whether the following numbers are in continued proportion, yes or no. So what is continued proportion? B square is equals to AC. So we will write first question here 2, 4, 8. Now we will consider let A is equals to 2, B is equals to 4, C is equals to 8. And what we know, we know B square is equals to AC. Okay, B square is equals to AC. So therefore here B is what? LHS. LHS is equals to B square is equals to what is B value is here? 4. 4 square. 4 square is how much? 16. Okay. RHS. What is RHS? Left hand side. This is left hand side B square. AC. A multiplied by C is RHS, right hand side. So you will write here AC. What is A here? A is 2 multiplied by C value is here 8. 2 8s are 16. Can you see here? LHS is equals to RHS. LHS is equals to RHS. It means therefore we will write B square is equals to AC. Therefore 2, 4, 8 are in continued proportion, I hope you understood here. See, this is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, let A is equals to 2, B is equals to 4, C is equals to 8. We know B square is equals to AC. So B square is your left hand side and AC is your right hand side. So we will solve first B square. B square is equals to B value is 4. 4 square is 16. Okay. Now RHS means right hand side AC. So A multiplied by C, that is 2 multiplied by 8 is equals to 16. So both the answers are equal. So therefore LHS is equals to RHS. It means B square is equals to AC. Hence therefore 2, 4, 8 are in continued proportion. Okay, now we will see the second sum. Okay, here also we will write first question as it is, then we will consider let A is equals to 1, B is equals to 2, C is equals to 3. Now we know what we know, B square. This question belongs to continued proportion, means B square is equals to AC. So B square is your left hand side and AC is your right hand side. So LHS is equals to B square and B value is here 2 square, that is 4. Okay. Now RHS is equals to AC, A multiplied by C. So A value is how much? 1 and 3 value is how much? C value is 3. A multiplied by 3, that is 3. So this is 4, this is 3. So therefore LHS does not equals to RHS. They both are not equals to each other. So therefore we will see B square does not is equals to AC. Therefore 1, 2, 3 are not in continued proportion. I hope you understood here. B square value should equals to A multiplied by C. Then we will say the given numbers are in continued proportion. If both the answers are different, then we will say LHS does not equals to RHS, B square does not equals to AC. Therefore 1, 2, 3 are not in continued proportion. Now see here. Now third one, same. 9, 12, 16. So we will consider let A is equals to 9, B is equals to 12 and C is equals to 16. So we know that what we know, the question belongs to continued proportion. So we know B square is equals to AC, B square is equals to A multiplied by C. So therefore LHS, left hand side, that is B square. LHS, it means B square. LHS is equals to B square is equals to B value is how much? 12. So 12 square is 144. Okay. Now RHS, right hand side, is equals to AC, A multiplied by C. So A value is how much over here? A value is 9 and here C value is 16. So we will multiply. 9 6 are 54, carry 5, 9 ones are 9 and 5, 14. It is 144. Can you see the answer match? 144, 144. Therefore we will say LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore you will say B square is equals to AC. Therefore 9, 12, 16 are in continued proportion. I hope you understood how to solve this. I hope you understood this. What is continued proportion? Continued proportion means A upon B is equals to B upon C, that is B square is equals to AC. This is most important. B square is equals to AC. The other name of continued proportion is geometric mean or mean proportional between A and C. Geometric mean. Remember this word. Geometric mean means continued proportion, that is B square is equals to AC. And I hope you understood these questions as well. So dear students, now we will start the practice set 4.5, the last practice set of this chapter, and it is based on continued proportion. What is continued proportion? A upon B is equals to B upon C. That is B square is equals to A multiplied by C. Okay, so from this both you can utilize any formula. Both the answer will become same. See here, the practice set 4.5 question number 1 is which number should be subtracted from 12, 16 and 21 so that the resultant numbers are in continued proportion. Okay, so there is one question that which number should be subtracted from the given numbers. So in this condition we always discussed in the class that whenever we don't know the number, we will consider any variable or we will consider the famous one, that is x. Okay, so look at the board here. Let the number to be subtracted be x. Suppose you will subtract x from all these three numbers, 12 minus x, 16 minus x and 21 minus x. So we will subtract x. Okay, so look at here. Therefore 12 minus x, 16 minus x and 21 minus x are in continued proportion. Why? It is given in the question, so that see here, so that resultant numbers are in continued proportion. It is said these three numbers are in continued proportion. It means this is A, this is B, and this is C. So we will write A upon B is equals to B upon C. Okay, look at here. A upon B is equals to B upon C, because this is A, this is B, and this is C. They are in continued proportion. So what you will do? Cross multiplication. This will multiply to this. This 12 minus x will multiply to this 21 minus x. These two will multiply to each other. These two will multiply to each other to the right hand side. Okay. See, 12 minus x, this multiply to this 21 minus x. A multiplied by C is equals to B multiplied by B. See here. It is B multiplied by B. It means 16 minus x will multiply to 16 minus x. I have taught you in previous classes, whenever there will be two brackets and there is a multiplication, there is no sign between these two brackets, it means it is multiplication. Bracket means multiplication. So what you have to do? Imaginary, you will make the two part of the first bracket imaginary. Remember, 12 is the one part, then you will give second bracket as it is, 12 multiplied by second bracket. What is remain from here? Minus x. Minus x you will write, and again you will give the second bracket. This we have learned, right? See here also, there are two brackets and there is a multiplication between these two brackets. It means imaginary, you will cut the first bracket before sign, you will make two parts. 16 will multiply to the second bracket, minus x will multiply to the second bracket only. I hope you understood. This is we have done earlier, how to solve the two brackets, multiplied brackets. Okay, now see, 12 will multiply to 21. 12 ones are 12, 2 carry 1, 12 twos are 24 and 1 25. So 252. 12 multiplied by minus x, it is minus 12x. Okay, minus x will multiply to 21, minus 21x. Minus x will multiply to minus x. So minus multiplied by minus is plus. X multiplied to x is x square. Okay, now here 16 will multiply to 16. 16 16s are 256 square. 16 will multiply to minus x, it will be minus 16x. Here minus x will multiply to 16, minus 16x. Minus x will multiply to minus x, so minus multiplied by minus is plus, x multiplied to x is x square. So see, I have cut this x square. Why? When there is equals to and is equals to left hand side and right hand side, if there are same numbers, it will get cancelled, it will become 0. Okay, so x square here, it will become 0. So what is remain here? 252. These two are like terms, minus 12x, minus 21x, like terms. So therefore we will do minus minus minus, addition of number, minus minus minus, addition of number, that is 33x. Here also 256 answer. Minus 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 16 32. Is it clear? Now what will happen? 256 is greater and 252 is smaller. So 252 will go there, it will subtract. 252 will go there, right hand side, it will subtract. Minus 32 will come to the left hand side, it will plus, it will become positive. So minus 33x plus 32x, plus minus minus 33 minus 32, answer will come 1. So that is minus, because bigger number is in minus, so minus x. Here 256 minus 252, answer is 4. Do you want minus x or you want only x? You want only x, we want only x. So this minus will go to the right hand side. So x, therefore x is equals to minus 4. So the number to be subtracted is minus 4. Okay, you got the answer here. I hope you understood these given numbers. X, you will suppose x will be subtracted from these three numbers, 12 minus 6, 16 minus 6, 21 minus 6, and they are, the resultant numbers are in the continued proportion. It is given. So this is A, this is B, this is C. A upon B is equals to B upon C. So A will multiply to C to the left hand side, B will multiply to B to the right hand side. There will be two brackets and we will cut the first bracket and then we will solve the multiplication. Okay, this is how you will get x value is equals to minus 4 and the number to be subtracted is minus 4. I hope you understood. So my dear students, after question number 1 of continued proportion, we will see the question number 2. It is also the same method we will utilize over here. Just please look at the board. If 28 minus x is the mean proportional, understand this, mean proportional, it means it is in continued proportion, and mean proportional means what? B, mean proportional means B. So this is 28 minus x is the value of B. Is it clear? Because it is mean proportional. As I have explained you in the introduction that here B is the mean proportional or mean proportional of between A and C. Okay, so here 28 minus x is the mean proportional. It means 28 minus x is the value of B. Is it clear? Which is present between A and C. Okay, of 23 minus x, which is value of A, and 19 minus x is value of C. Then find the value of x. Okay, so now we will write it down the whatever given. So I have written here 23 minus x is the value of A. 28 minus x is the mean proportional, means it is the value of B, and 19 minus x is the value of C, are in continued proportion. Okay, now we will write A upon B is equals to B upon C. A upon B is equals to B upon C. This is mean proportional, means this is the value of B. Okay, so again we will cross multiply. This will multiply to this 23, 19 and this 23. This 28 will multiply to this 28. Again you will get the same method. This A will multiply to C on left hand side and B will multiply to B on right hand side. There will be two brackets and there is a multiplication. So first bracket you will make two parts, 23 and minus x. 23 will multiply to the second bracket as it is. Minus x will also multiply to the second bracket as it is. Here also there are two brackets and multiplication. So first bracket we will break into two parts, 28, and the second bracket will multiply as it is. Then minus x will multiply to the second bracket as it is. Then we will multiply the next steps. 23 will multiply to 19, the answer will come 437. 23 will multiply to minus x, it will be minus 23x. Minus x will multiply to 19, it will be minus 19x. Minus will multiply to minus, it will be plus. X will multiply to x is x square. Now here 28 will multiply to 28, it will square to 784. Now 28 will multiply to minus x, it will be minus 28x. Minus x will multiply to 28, it will be minus 28x. Minus will multiply to minus, it will be plus. X will multiply to x, it will be x square. Again x square and x square will cancel. Why? Because is equals to left hand side and right hand side. If you will see the same numbers, they will get cancelled, they will get 0. Okay. Now see, whatever balance remain or left, we will calculate. 437 and these two are like terms. Minus 23x minus 19x, minus minus minus, addition of number 23 plus 19 is 42. So minus 42x. Now here 784 as it is. These two are like terms. Minus 28x minus 28x. 28 28 56 minus minus minus, addition of number. So minus 56x. Now here 784 is bigger and 437 is smaller. So smaller will go to the bigger. Right hand side it will subtract. 437 will go there, it will subtract from 784. And this minus 56 will come to the left hand side, it will be plus 56. So plus minus minus, 56 minus 42, answer will come 14. Why positive 14? Bigger number is in positive form. Okay. Now here 347. 14 and x is having multiplication, so 14 will go there, it will divide. You will get here x value is 347 upon 14. Very much easy to understand. This is only we have to understand 28x is the mean proportional. It means this is the value of B and this is A and this is C. So this will come in between. 28 minus x is the value of B. So A will come first, B and C, and continued proportional said A upon B is equals to B upon C. I hope you understood here. Now after question number 2 we will see the question number 3. This question is little bit tricky. But if you will understand how to solve, if you know the basic continued proportion theorem, then you will understand how to solve it very easily. Okay, just please look at the board and understand here. Pay attention. Three numbers are in continued proportion. Okay, it is given three. There are three numbers which are in continued proportion, whose mean proportional is 12. What is mean proportional? Means the value of B, the middle term. Mean means the between A and C, that is B value. So here whose mean proportional is 12 means the value of B. B is equals to 12. And the sum means addition of the remaining two numbers is 26. Oh, it means we know only the B value, that is mean proportional means value of B, the middle term, that is B, that is 12, and the remaining two means A and C. Okay, the remaining two numbers is the sum of, see, the sum of the remaining two number is 26. Okay, sum of the two remaining numbers. So what is two remaining numbers? A and C. So A plus C is equals to 26. Okay, mean proportional means value of B, it is given in the question, that is 12, and the remaining two numbers, the sum of the remaining two numbers, the word comes sum. The sum means addition of the remaining two numbers, that is A and C. Sum means plus, that is A plus C is equals to 26. Just look at here. Let A, B, C are in continued proportion. Okay, A upon B is equals to B upon C, that is B square is equals to AC. This we have to utilize, right? B square is equals to AC. Now here in this question B is equals to 12. Okay, that is mean proportional is 12, means B is equals to 12, and the sum of the remaining two numbers A plus B, sum means addition, A plus C is equals to 26. It is given in the question. See, A plus C is equals to 26. So by this you will not understand what is the value of A or what is the value of C. So you will do one thing, this plus C will go to the right hand side. So you can get the value of A at least. Okay, when this plus C will go to the right hand side, so it will be minus C. See, what will remain here? Only A. A is equals to 26 minus C. So we got the value of A, that is 26 minus C. We don't know the value of C, so we will put C is equals to C only. Okay, look at here. Now in this question, A value you got, that is 26 minus C. How? From this given situation, A plus C, the sum of the remaining two numbers. So which two numbers remain? A and C. So A plus C is equals to 26. It is given in the question. So by taking this C to the right hand side, we will get at least the value of A. So value of A will be 26 minus C. So now A is equals to 26 minus C. B we know it is mean proportional 12. And C we don't know, so we will keep C as it is. Is it clear? So this is how we have to use the values now. By continued proportion, B square is equals to AC, right? So what is the value of B square over here? B, what is the value of B here? 12. 12 square 144, right? What is the value of A here now? See, I have made a mark over here, arrow. A value is 26 minus C. A multiplied by C. So C value is only C. Can you see, I have marked over there, the C will multiply to this bracket. So look at here, C 26 minus C. C will multiply to 26, that is 26C. C will multiply to C, that is minus C square. Is it clear? So this is also from right to left side we are doing the multiplication. Look at here, C will multiply to 26, that is 26C, minus C will multiply to C, that is C square. Now we will take this right hand side terms to the left hand side. So it will be, look at here, 144 minus 26 plus C square is equals to 0. So what will remain to the right hand side? Nothing, 0. So now that is we will write in the what do you say, in the quadratic form or quadratic form equation, that is, see, AB square is equals to C square, you will take C square minus 26C plus 144 is equals to 0. Okay, so we will take it in quadratic equation form. So that is, this is the quadratic equation now. So this quadratic equation we will solve by factorize. Okay, we will solve by factorization. This equation we have arranged properly. We have taken C square first, then minus 26C plus 144. We have arranged properly, and now this is, we can see by observation, we can understand this is quadratic equation. Now we will solve this quadratic equation by factorize. What is factorization? The constant term will multiply to the coefficient of square term. So what is the coefficient of here? It is 1. 144 ones are 144. Now the middle term is minus 26, minus 26. So 144 comes in which table? The factors of 144 is minus 18 multiplied by 8. So 18 8s are 144. Why you are taking minus minus? Because your answer is negative. Minus 18, minus 18, minus minus minus, addition of number 26. Minus 18 will multiply to minus 8, the answer will come positive 144. So this is factorization. First term you will write as it is. Instead of this place, instead of this minus 26, you will write this minus 18c, and minus 8c constant term will come as it is. 144 is equals to 0. Now see, I have underlined here, we will take the common term. C is common, so C you will take out common. 1c will left and 18 will left, right? From here 88 is a common because in 8 times table 8 18s are 144, right? See, 18 8s are 144, 8 18s are 144. So 8 is common. So 8 you will take, minus 8 you will take common. What will left from here? C, and 8 minus 8 multiplied by 18s are, minus 18s are 144. Always remember what will be your first bracket, that is only your second bracket. Always remember in factorization. So here these two bracket comes twice, we will write once C minus 18, and the outsider, that is C minus 8, will be the second bracket, is equals to 0. Now we will solve it. C minus 18 is equals to 0, or C minus 8 is equals to 0. This minus 18 will go to the right hand side. C is equals to 18, positive 18. This minus 8 will go to right hand side. C is equals to positive 8. Now if you will consider C is equals to 18, then you have a formula AC. We want to find value of A and value of C. We know here that is A is equals to 26 minus C. So if you know the value of C, you can find the value of A. See here. So A is equals to 26 minus C, 26 as it is. If C value you will consider 18, 26 minus 18 is equals to 8. So this will be your A value. A is equals to 8. Here you will say A is equals to 8. Now again, if you will consider C is equals to 8, if C is equals to 8, then again there is a formula. We know A is equals to 26 minus 6. We will take A is equals to 26 minus 6, 26 minus C value 8. Answer will come 18. Therefore you will say A is equals to 18. Right? A is equals to 18. So we will write three numbers in continued proportion are, if you will consider this is A, so 8, B is already given 12, that is geometric mean proportion, that is B. So A value is 8, B value is 12, and C value is here 18. If you are considering 18, C is equals to 18. So 18, 12, 8, okay, or 8, 12, 18. Is it clear? This will be your answer. If you will consider 18, you will write this A, B, C. If you consider this C is equals to 8, you will consider A value 18, B value 12, and C value 8. This will be the answer of this question number 3. I hope you understood here. So now dear students, we will see the question number 4. Please look at the board. Question number 4, if bracket A plus B plus C bracket complete multiplied by A minus B plus C bracket complete is equals to A square plus B square plus C square. This is the question given. This is the equation given in the question. Show that A, B, C are in continued proportion. It means we have to show that A, B, C are in continued proportion. So my dear student, first we will copy the question as it is. See, I have already copied the question. This equation I have already copied. Now what we have to do further? See here, we will multiply this A to this bracket one by one. See, we will multiply this A to this bracket. See, pay attention. A multiplied to A square. Now this A will multiply to this minus B, so it will come minus AB. Now this A will multiply to this plus C, it will come plus AC. Okay, now A term is finished. Now we will utilize this plus B and this A. So you will say this B will multiply to A, so it will be plus BA. We will make it correct, AB. Okay. Now this B will multiply to this positive B will multiply to this minus B. It will be minus B square. Minus b square. Now this plus b will multiply to this plus c. So it will be plus bc. Okay. Then this plus c will multiply to this a. It will be ca, but we will write ac. Okay. Alphabet comes first a. Now this c will multiply to this minus b. So we will say minus bc. Minus bc. Now this plus c will multiply to this plus c. It will be plus c square. Plus c square. Finished. A multiplied to this complete bracket. Then b multiplied to this complete bracket. Then this plus c will multiply to this complete bracket. Finished. Now we will write this right hand side as it is, a square plus b square plus c square. Now please reduce or cancel or cut the opposite terms, opposite numbers. See, a square is here also, a square is here, a square is here. See, is equals to there in between. So left hand side and right hand side, if you will see the same term, they will get cancelled. Now see, minus ab plus ab, see, minus ab plus ab, cancel. Plus ac, no, it will not cancel. See, plus AC, this is also plus AC. So this, they will not cancel. Now see, minus B square, no, it will not cancel. Now see here, plus BC minus BC. See, plus BC minus BC will get cancelled. C square is here also, C square is there also. Is equals to left hand side C square is equals to right hand side C square. They will get cancelled. So what is left over? Kya bacha? So we will say here, therefore it is 2AC, okay, 1AC plus 1AC, 2AC minus B square is equals to B square, okay, 2AC minus B square is equals to B square. Now we will solve the remaining sum. Now we will see this minus B will go that side. Like term will go to the like term. Therefore, it is 2AC is equals to B square plus B square. So here it will be 2AC is equals to 1B square plus 1B square. So it is 2B square. So this 2, okay, write properly. See, 2B square. So this 2 and this 2 also will get cancelled. So what is remain? AC is equals to B square. So this is only, that is B square is equals to AC only, right? So this is only our continued proportion. So we can prove A, B, C are in continued proportion. We have proved. I hope you understood here. First you will copy the question as it is. Then A, this first term you will multiply to this second bracket. A will multiply to A, then A will multiply to minus B, then A will multiply to plus C. Then B will multiply to A, then B will multiply to minus B, then B will multiply to plus C. Then plus C will multiply to A, plus C will multiply to minus B, plus C will multiply to plus C. Then left and right hand side as it is. Cancel the like terms and cancel the terms which are left hand side also and right hand side also. The remaining things you will copy AC and AC, 2AC minus B square, and from there B square. So this like term will go to the like term. So minus B will go to that side, it will be plus B square. So 2 will get cancelled. What will remain? AC is equals to B square. That is B square is equals to AC. So this is how we can say A, B, C are in continued proportion. Therefore, A, B, C are in continued proportion. I hope you understood. And here we finish the practice set 4.5 because the rest of the questions are reduced from your practice set for this year. So thank you so much and best of luck.